lived a man whose name was Job, and this man was blameless and upright. He feared God and shunned evil. Verse number 2. And 7 sons and 3 daughters were born to him.
Before the Bible tells you of things, the possessions that they had, it told you how he was first. Before the Bible revealed to you that this man was that this man had this and that. But how was he to God?
The question the man of God asked,
The question the man of God asked, how are you to God? How does God know you? How are you to God? When God looks at you, what kind of person does it say you are?
Hallelujah.
What kind of person are you to God? When you know that you fear him,
it means
it means something
because you are
because you fear God.
more than
More than fearing people, we need to fear God.
Yes, asimboni.
Yes, you don't see him.
Andithi? Yes, asimboni.
Yes, you don't see him.
Andithi? Njengabantu bonke.
Like everyone,
Bebonakala abantu.
people become visible.
Siyakwazi ukuthi
But we can say no.
if undenza into wrong emntwini,
If I'm doing something wrong to a person,
akazozukiseka uThixo.
God won't be
So rather
glorified.
ndingayenzi into emele uba ndiyayenza
Rather
okanye ndifuna uyenza
I don't do what I want to do,
ngoba ndoyika uThixo.
to fear God.
Ezindishilo
As I said,
that even nomntu othi
even a person who says,
ndoyika uThixo
I fear
andikwazi
God,
uthetha nomyeni amehlobo
I can't speak with my husband like that.
noba bendifuna uthetha rongo,
Even if I
but
want to
ngenxa yoba
speak
ndoyika
wrong, but
uThixo
because I fear God,
ndiyayilungisa intetha yam.
I will fix my utterance.
Ngoba kutheni?
Why?
Ndoyika uThixo.
I fear God.
Ndiyayilungisa intetha
I
yam
will fix my utterance
enkosikazini wam
towards my
ngoba
wife,
ndoyika bani? Ndoyika
because I fear
uThixo.
God.
Ndoyika uThixo.
I fear God.
Ukoyika uThixo
To fear God,
kune-benefits.
it has benefits.
Zikhona izinto
There are things
ezenzekayo
that happen
ngenxa yoba usoyika uThixo.
because you
If
fear
you notice
God.
le verse iyifundileyo right now,
If you notice the verse,
zonke izinto uYobhe ebenazo
all the things that Job
siqale
had,
saboniswa i-character
we
yakhe.
were shown first his
Ebemoyika
character.
uThixo.
He feared God.
Ebengayifuni into embi.
He did not want anything evil.
Ndoyika uThixo.
To fear God.
Andikwazi uyibukela le nto.
You can't just watch this.
Andikwazi uyibukela le movie.
I can't just watch this movie.
Ndoyika uThixo.
I fear God.